Hey guys, Zach here. Today, I got the Hot Wheels haul from Dollar Tree. Now here's the cars. To start off, we got a 2017 Pagani Huayra Roadster from Italy. Here's the back. And it's from Case E of 2026. Next car, Audi RS6 Avant from 2017. Here's the back. And it's actually from C-Case. The newest one for 2023 is Honda E 2020 Custom. See right here? New for 2026. Here's the back. Here's the trademark license if you want to read that. And it's from KC, but it's not a treasure hunt, so whatever. I can take it. Next car, Dodge 330, 1964. Here are all the trademarks if you want to read it. And it is from F-Case. And finally, we got our first Lucid into the Hot Wheels range. The Lucid Air. Here's the back. If you want to read that, just read the trademarks of it. And it's from D-Case. It's from D-Case. Let's get to the unboxing. First up, Pagani Huayra. Let me put this on. Do. Hold on. Nice packaging. So here it is, the Pagani Huayra Roadster in its perfect pristine condition. Published in green. Pagani Huayra Roadster. Next up, we'll save the Lucid Air for last. Audi RS6 Avant. Oh, that's easy. There's the Audi RS6 Avant. Cool hatchback from Audi. Real tail lights, rear headlights. And it looks realistic as ever. But plastic tires though. Just plastic tires. Next up, the new for 2026 car, Honda E. Now here's the Honda E. This cool custom plastic tires on the badge. Very cool to see a Honda here. Next up, the Dodge 330 from 1964. That was easy. Again, here's the Dodge 330. It's from the Drag Racers collection. Very cool. Yeah, it has a Goodyear trademark. Very cool. And lastly, to round it off, we got Lucid Air. As a special spot, you can put it right here. in finished packaging. Those are there. Very cool. So these are 164 scale diecast originally from Mattel, and they comes made with stuff such as headlights, taillights, roofs, and others. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe to my 4th alternative Google YouTube channel. Thank you. And by the way, if you don't, if this video gets around at least about 1 view, then I would buy the Super Mario Galaxy movie poster from Dollar Tree, and I will put it up on the wall. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe and share this video with all your friends. Thank you. Bye.